look at some real-life examples of English conversation at the grocery store. Nervous speaking English at the grocery store? Don't worry. Here are 5 useful phrases that will help you sound confident while shopping. Number 1. Finding an item. If you can't find something, ask, "Where can I find?" followed by the item name. For example, the Perk chocolate. Simple and very common. Number 2. Ask for help. If you're confused about a product, you may say to the shopkeeper, "Could you help me with this?" Or, "Could you help me find the Perk chocolate?" Number 3. Ask about discounts. To check for a special price, say, "Is there a discount on this item?" Number 4. Returning a product. If something doesn't work or you changed your mind, you may say, "I'd like to return this product." And number 5. Paying. At the checkout, you can say, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Would you like me to pay in cash?" Try these phrases the next time you go shopping and tell me how it goes. Happy learning! Like, share and subscribe.